Hello everybody, this is Cam with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'll be showing you how we can set an export preset in Adobe Illustrator. So our typical standard for exporting for screens is to export a PDF and a JPEG 100 at 2400 pixels, but there will be certain projects like for vended products like business cards that we have to turn off our JPEGs. And so for when it comes time to export another JPEG, we'll have to go to Add Scale, hit JPEG 100, type in 24, change it to width and type in 2400 pixels, which gets annoying to do every single time. So instead we're going to go ahead and set a preset. So while it is still formatted as PDF and JPEG 100, we'll go ahead and go to this little 3-bar icon right here. It says settings for exported presets. Go ahead and set save as preset, and we'll go ahead and type in something simple like garments. Just hit OK. And so now you go into that little menu again. It should pop up as one of your presets at the very bottom here. So if you take off your JPEG, just go in there and hit garments, it should automatically pop up again as your preset. And that's all you need to know. Thank you very much.